got a purse, Savannah? You got a purse?
No.
Oh, you got cards. Look at that. Fishy and a kitty. You like it?
Daddy, Mama.
What?
Kitty.
Fishy?
Kitty.
Put them in your purse. Put them in your purse. Ooh, look at your purse. Put them in your purse.
I thought I saw an owl on the purse in the circle. Yeah, that's pretty.
Oh, oops. Here you go. Here you go. That's Cheyenne's purse, huh?
Real nice beauty purse.
Yeah, your purse. You like it, huh? Well, let's fix it. You're welcome. Here you go. Here you go. Arm out. Here, put both of it. Here you go. Hold it. Here you go.
You got any cards back?
She got them.
You got any cards?
Yeah, they're in her. They're in her
What kind
purse.
of cards you got? What kind you got?
She just put them in.
You got a fishy and a kitty? Yeah.
What? Your bag? The camera's dying already. Go in your room.
Look at my room. When I first walked in my room.
Yeah, your book?
Yeah, you broke her.
You got a big one, huh?
She broke it.
You broke. Oh, no.
It's too big for her.
Savannah. I
You broke a
know.
little tooth.
Look at her. She broke the book.
Aw. I can't fix it. Daddy let you break it. You broke it?
Oh, it's broken. Choo-choo train is broken. This is not
Oh,
choo-choo train.
Savannah. Why?
Like that.
Why you break them? Why?
It doesn't look very big to me. She gets out her magic bag and tries to make things better. Like, there we go. We need that to fix it and this. Now let's get fixing it.
Yeah? What is this?
My key.
Your kitty?
My key.
What's this?
Oh,
It's a fish.
Fishy?
Fishy.
It's like, okay, my magic stuff is done.
Yeah.
What?
Pick it.
Pick it? Let me see. I pick a kitty cat. Yeah, that's mine.
Key.
Is it a fishy?
I'm holding it.
I think she's glad to be a...
Mama, I can pull it.
Yeah?
Mama,
I
I'm
think
broke
Savannah's
it.
glad
I
to
know
be
you broke it. You broke it, huh? Why? Why you break the book?
I broke it.
It was a nice book.
Broke.
How did you break it?
I broke it.
How?
I broke it.
How did you just rip it off?
She
Yeah.
does all those books.
How'd she break it?
She was walking and holding and this is too big.
Mama, I broke
She's
it.
like only holding this
Mm-hmm.
and holding like this and then
Oh, okay.
yeah, she was doing this and she holding like this. And then it's just like it's heavy, you know.
Aw,
Hey.
it's heavy.
Yeah.
It's heavy, Savannah.
I'll give her one of my books.
It's heavy. Aww.
My book. Oh, my book.
I was like, Cheyenne, can you fix my book, please? Please? I beg you. Fix it with my magical tools. Ooh, maybe we could do this.
No.
Come on, go on.
No, Daddy.
Okay, Savannah, come on. Go put stuff
Go
away.
clean your rooms, you guys.
You should see.
Going.
I'll go.
So put stuff away.
Daddy.
okay.
Look it.
It's okay. 50 cents. That's all it was. You turn it light on.
Here.
Go clean your room. Good child.
Ma, why?
Yes, the light.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Mhm.
Ma,
You smart?
Ma,
You smart girl?
I'm more.
I know you're smart. You're beautiful too. Mwah. Mwah. Aww. Good girl.
Yeah. I'm more. I'm more.
You got your brush? Is it clean? Okay. Oh.
There you go.
Go trick or treating with it. No.
Then Mama, they put.
No,
No.
that don't go in there.
No, Daddy, you don't go in there. Just. There you go.
You can make a
No, don't. She
purse thingy.
just wants it on
You
normal.
can make a purse tag, son.
Ma, I put.
I'll go in my purse and kitty and fishy.
Take it.
I'm poor.
I know.
No, Mama. I'm poor, Mama. Poor.
I know. Come back here, stinker. Come here. Come here. Look at you. Got a new purse. Got new sandals.
Mama, I got it. They take it, Daddy.
Take your shoes off?
Thank you.
Yeah, take your shoes off inside. Good job. Okay. Good job.
Good job. Look at you. He's so cute. Say, I'm cute, Mama.
I'm cute.
Yeah, I know.
I'm cute.
No. Huh?
The happiest person I know.
Who, Savannah? Aw. Mwah. Aw, you're so sweet. Mwah. You're so sweet, Bubba.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. You love Savannah kisses. Yes, I do. Yes, I do, babies. Yes.
Tower.
Oh, yeah?
The tower.
The towel?
The tower. My tower.
Your towel?
My tower. My tower.
Oh,
My tower.
okay.
My tower. My tower.
You heard the lady. Her towel. What? Your ducky.
My ducky.
Oh, I don't think we bought the ducky. I don't think we bought it. She's like my ducky. And so I don't think we bought the ducky. She's oh, I'm sorry. We didn't buy the zebra ducky, did we? Oh, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.